Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by bypass. So I need to put about u equals to 3 plus lnx. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 3. This is about the constant. So you got 0. First derivative of lnx. We have 1 over s ds dv. We have ds over s plus 1 to the power of 2. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative number 1 over 1 plus s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative with negative, so you got positive, and we have the integration ds over s multiplied by 1 plus s. So we know that this one we have number 1, so I will put the s gone here. Next, we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. So s plus 1 divided by 1 plus s. You got number 1. S divided by s. We have number 1. So we just have 1 over s minus 1 over 1 plus s. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over s. We have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of 1 plus s. And I will put about c. Now we can put the absolute value in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.